let's get painting. Good morning, art nerds. So here's the deal. I never know what I'm doing, no surprise there. However, I have the entire day to paint, so I figured, let's go paint 2 or 3 different spots. I think to start, we're gonna go to a lighthouse in Rhode Island that I've never even heard of or been to, so I don't know if we'll be able to get to it. However, we're gonna start there, and then we're just gonna see where the day goes. So it might be really stressful. A lot of people don't like the spontaneous lifestyle of like no plans, but I love it and I live for it. That's the adventure. So if that's too stressful for you, don't worry, sit back, relax, and let's go on an adventure. Even though I don't plan things, I did reload my watercolor palette and I'm packing my bag, so A+ for me on that part. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up and we're gonna go. Got 10 minutes down the road and forgot all my batteries for my camera. I think we're here. It's at like a really nice resort hotel thing, so I had to ask people where I could park because I didn't want to get towed. Yeah, I wasn't really sure where I could park. Again, didn't really think this through. It's at like a really nice resort inn kind of thing, so it seemed like everything was kind of their property, and it still might be. But if I get towed, I get towed. All right, I'm trying to find somewhere to pee, and also everyone here is dressed in like the nicest stuff. Like, if you know Newport, you know there's some serious cheddar around here. And I'm walking around in like a dead shirt and Vans. My kind of sort of plan worked. We are here and let's get painting. Left the easel in the car, but that's all part of the plan. So we're gonna draw it like this.
You know, not having a plan is like the best thing in the world, because I didn't even know this place existed, and I don't know, I'm just like pretty happy. The paintings come out great, it's a beautiful day, and just being by the ocean is probably the best thing in the world. I encourage you all to go out with either no plan or just like the bare minimum, because it is so fun to just go find a new cool spot and adventure. So go be spontaneous and throw away your schedules. That took about an hour and a half. It's about 2 o'clock. I think we're gonna go get like a snack somewhere, and then gonna find a new place to paint. We got the whole day. The sun's out, it's gorgeous. Let's do it. Welcome to spot number 2. So I ate my snack and I was thinking I really need to draw a boat. So here we are. We're gonna just focus in on a boat. The last sketch was kind of the entire landscape with the lighthouse. I want to just focus on one boat and do more of a focused study on that. But the bridge is really cool in the background. The bridge is iconic, so it's a great spot. I changed my mind. We're gonna draw 2 boats. What a fun little sketch. Although there was a bunch of fishermen that were next to me and I felt a little awkward talking to the camera, I had a great time. It was a fun little spot. Boats are really tricky, but especially when they're moving, it's kind of hard. But that was a fun day. That was a really fun day. 2 spots I've never been to, 2 spots I feel like I did a great job with the painting, and most importantly, I was just out in the sun adventuring. That's like the best day possible. So let me know what adventure you want to see me do next, and see you next time. Let's do it. Let's paint.